Hey everybody, this is Cheap Dad. I've got a real neat little alarm clock sleep machine here. This is a thing that will put you to sleep as well as wake you up in the morning. It has these real neat little sounds. The sound, I believe, of a brook and an ocean and wind chimes. You can set it to put yourself to sleep and then set the alarm clock to wake yourself up in the morning as well. Just want to make, unless you hear the sounds, I don't know if you can hear this on the camera here, but let's see. You can turn the volume down a little bit. It's just real low. Then there's the sound of a ocean. I like the ocean myself. The sound of wind chimes. Turn the volume down. Turn the dimmer switch down. Actually, it's on dim. Anyway, then you can set the alarm clock as well, and it'll wake you up in the morning. That's a neat little travel sleeping machine alarm clock. If you're interested, call Cheap Dad 601-207-2015, 601-207-2015.